Starting around 06 October 2023, HEX certainly is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. HEX explicitly has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, which for the most part is very huge. This for the most part makes HEX lovely positioning at 206 in the digital currency market. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Is HEX a genuinely wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will HEX cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, really in opposition to prevalent thinking? These in every practical sense are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, or so they truly thought. HEX value expectation 2023, as per the HEX gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost truly is supposed to especially cross in every practical sense normal value level of $0.007, the normal truly least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to for the most part be $0.007. Exhibiting how starting around 06 October 2023 HEX by and large is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Besides, HEX can fundamentally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.007 in a sort of enormous manner. HEX value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX sort of is somewhat anticipated to generally arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0.006 and a really least of $0.005 in a sort of large manner. HEX value gauge September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX is especially anticipated to especially arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.006 and a genuinely least of $0.006, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007 in an in every practical sense large way. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.006, which truly is genuinely huge. HEX value gauge November 2023. The truly normal cost of HEX could explicitly go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023, showing how HEX value expectation 2023, as per the HEX conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $0.007. The normal certainly least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to explicitly be $0.007, exhibiting how starting around 06 October 2023, HEX is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. HEX could generally be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $0.007, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.006, or so they truly thought. HEX value estimate December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may really arrive at least worth of $0.007, while the kind of greatest determined cost certainly is around $0.007, which especially is very huge. The essentially normal cost for HEX really is anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.007 in December 2023, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every way that really matters is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX generally be extremely worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. Hex truly passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been fundamentally diminished by 4.89% in its genuinely current worth, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that we especially look at the very current market cap of the Hex with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap basically is likewise down. So Hex value figure December 2023. The Hex cost for December 2023 may by and large arrive at a really least worth of $0.007, while the in every practical sense, most extreme estimated cost certainly is around $0.007. Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex, all things considered, is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins in a quite large manner. The Hex truly is down to nearly 39.39% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, showing how the coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for pretty past certainly couple of days. The coin could basically have sort serious areas of strength for of yet. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a productive resource and transient in an essentially enormous manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex diminished by 92.698%. Taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.072 from its kind of current worth, showing how Hex value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Hex essentially is certainly anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.006 and an in every practical sense, least of $0.006 in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a truly great all things considered purchase and open door for truly speedy venture, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change especially is near 77.60%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a base especially normal cost of $0.024 to pretty most extreme truly normal cost of $0.027 in the truly beyond 90 days in a fundamentally large manner. Hex certainly is somewhere near 69.20%, with the genuinely greatest most certainly normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0.023, and the truly least essentially normal cost of truly was around $0.021 in kind of beyond 4 months, showing how Hex most certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been generally diminished by 4.89% in its fundamentally current worth. Hex value estimate 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Hex commonly worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? The Hex